Need a load of these drop-offs as well. When I come to do the drop-offs and drop-downs, which I'll do later on, I'm gonna really get this runups looking good. Then yeah, I'll add a load of them. Did the level up animations? Yeah, finish this. The level up. Well, the step up animations. I'm adding more now. I finished the one I was doing yesterday, but I'm adding a load now. Okay, so 89.87. 147.903. Bonjour, Guns. How are that today, man? How you doing, bro? Some step ups and whatnot. Step Up to the Streets. A great movie. Everyone's gonna love Step Up. If you don't like Step Up, get out of it. Get out of it. Undercool Step Up. Wait. Can't wait till I get Step Up 007. Cool. Then we go. $90.52. Let's see, bro. 146.834. It's never ending, man. It's never ending. You think you got it, and then bam, you don't have it at all. Never ends. But that is the fun of it, I guess. Wouldn't be fun if otherwise, you know what I mean? Wouldn't be. everything worked as and how you meant it to. You know what I mean? What's the fun in that? Time QL so you can restart, but it needs a key input, so I've added an extra map in the player blueprint. So if you get a complaint when you check in, it's nothing major. Okay, cool. No worries. I'm not actually changing around player blueprint, so I might not actually have any conflicts. Hey JB, how are you today, man? I hope you well. And he's going through all the wall pops and re-extract all the root motion as well. Long process, but I gotta do that probably not today now, as I don't actually have much time today. But we will do it. Yeah, alright. Like same as a wall pop really, but alright, cool. Hello, Isma. How you doing? Yeah, we're doing good, bro. Just trying to add in a couple more animations. Oh, I still need to automate this part. That was the first thing I was meant to do today. Just bypassed it. Not sure why I bypassed it. It's actually probably the most important thing I was meant to do today. I don't have enough time really, because it's one of those things that it could be really quick or really long. So I just want to add a couple animations in quickly and just make sure the pipeline works. Quite automate it. And I'll redo all these values. So then I have everything here. And then I want to try. Probably won't have the time to, but try and fix these, remotion them and get them looking good. Don't think I'll have time for I have to go around for a little bit of time actually. What did I do? So distance is about 163. What distance is. So about 163. About 110, 1.1 to get to that point. Bonjour, Noma. How are thou today? These are wrong. Good. Love to hear it. Yeah, I'm trying to get it as consistent as possible. So 89 to 147. Oh, they're all going to be the same height. They all jumped in the same obstacle. So they're all going to be about 53 and height, actually. Exactly the same. Yeah, you can try do every day, to be honest. Let's just see how it goes. Million different updates every time I launch things. That one's way too far away. That's pretty spot on. You need to actually see the differential between. That one has more of a foot chop, I think. And then this one, more of just a straight up on it. So when you're closer, it'll do that one. When you're further, it'll do that. So if I'm quite close, do that one. Nice. I'm further away, do that one. Cool. Yeah. Well, at least we know the pipeline works. You can just keep adding. Do you need just to keep? We need like different height walls it runs up onto. You can see that one is just the forward distance is really far. But that's so bad. These are real. There was 153. Goddamn. See, that one is 68 high. Like, there's no way some of the climb ups I use are now for a 68 high. Do you mean like some of these values are wrong? Yes. Oh, no, they're not actually. They're actually much higher. Okay, they're not wrong. But I guess the speed is more appropriate. A lot slower. Best distance traveled. Anyway, let's keep adding. Add these three, and then round out. We need to actually not round these. These actually need to be specifically like specific values. But I'm gonna automate all this stuff to do it manually. Like me doing it by eye is really bad. And some of these values are gonna be inaccurate. So I need to automate it that the computer do that work for me. So if you're a little bit further away and a little bit slower, let's see some coverage. Six two, 163 really. The 93. Very slow. It's very, very slow. Oh yeah, you are moving very slow down. Alright, let's check it out. Check it out, man. Okay. because I'm using a capsule and not the mesh forward location, really. Like, the trace should really be off where the character is facing, not where the capsule is facing. And that's the exact issue you're finding, because the capsule rotates quicker than the actual player. Ah, there you go. Well, I did just realize that none of these have any blends on them. I just realized that now. Not a single one of them have any blending. Like, look here, no blending whatsoever. There's a standard, but inertialization, that's just, and it's linear. God, that's disgusting. So I need to actually change the trace. It's probably straight from where the layer is, the mesh is facing, not where the capsule is. That's not a mistake. So inertialization, we've got about, yeah, I mean, you can get a minute, you can probably get 0.2 to be honest. You don't need that much time into it. And then out, we don't want as much time as possible, so yeah, 1.2. I think like 0.5 on a standard. Wow. Step up 0.02. This is step up 0.02. So let's make them all 0.02. See how it does. Smooth, pretty smooth. Little drop of the thing because of the fur. Or slides back. That's an IK issue, but I think we can also fix that by just dropping this a little bit. It's like 0.3. Blend out's really nice. A little bit of a or we can actually that's pretty good. Again, it's like sliding a bit because if you go dead straight, it's fine, but you're not going dead straight. Oh, so the mesh isn't going dead straight. You know what I mean? I also think, that's also because, I guess, if I'm going this way, it doesn't actually rotate me to match that. Just, like matching on the wall. Yeah, it does. So it pulls my rotation. Now that's actually wrong. I need to change that. So the rotation at which I'm going into, that needs to, I can just go in here. Just don't warp the rotation. There you go. So then it maintains the rotation better, which is probably what I should do. There you go, like that. Okay. A little bit more on that, to be honest. The 1.5 had a really good blend in. Let's go 0.4. There's a bit of like a freezy bit where it switches between. It's not as smooth. That's the IK. The IK sucks. I think when I'm in climb, I should have a different. Oh, you know really what it should just be? Is this? Oh, like a little offset so you can account for the foot. So if I actually give it a little bit of an offset. I might also need to disable collisions just for a brief point in there. So if I do that, while it's getting up and over the wall. Just until we're after it. Half up there. Won't be any. Still does a little drop, annoyingly. But I think that is because the IK is being traced from the foot and not from the. That's fine. It's because the IK is being traced from the ball of the foot, not the toe of the foot. So it's like, which is how it really should be traced, which is how my one does it. So that's what that little dip in the thing is. That's fine. I don't know if in that case I don't actually know I need this. I think that's fine. I can stay there. I don't think I need this either, quite frankly. Step up 3. Oh, so much blending time. We can do a 1 second blending time. No way. Let's just see. I'm just curious how that's gonna look. And then we have no time to blend out. Actually, we go at 0.2. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? It's just enough. And it's to stand, so that's actually right. Oh, the blend out is beautiful. That first of all, blend in just way too long, quite frankly. Just needs like a zero. Blending on natural doesn't need that long because you want to kind of preserve momentum like that. That just kills momentum. Like there, spot on. Beautiful. Oh, that wasn't beautiful. That was anything but beautiful. Wowza. To be fair, it is a massive speed kill to me. So this animation would probably never happen because it's just moving so quick. But yeah. I'm gonna add a little IK. So like you see how the foot's off the ground there? I'm gonna add a little bit of IK, like a climbing IK thing where the I'm actually wrong with that. So yeah, it's not the mesh forward location, it's the cap. We're taking the capsule one, which is always the issue. It's been had. I'll change it in a second now. That's the next thing I'll change. Yeah, this animation should never be taken because it's for when you're so slow. And again, this is why we want as much coverage as possible so that the blend, the ones it picks, it's like it's never gonna have a case where it's picking this one because the warp is pretty tragic. I want to add another field which is angle of entry, which will basically help account for like how the thing moves and weird diagonals. That's gonna be the next field I add soon. Ooh, a hand. Wow. Ooh, wow. Lord. Alright, so let's see this. That one pretty clutch. No. Interesting. This one needs some IK. The little disable collision job. Yeah, this one needs some work, this one. At this point, we want to start reaching. At this point, we want to be there. That looks really good, actually. Well, that's actually surprisingly alright. I haven't even done any blending on it yet. I mean, the bones of that IK rig need fixing for sure, but let's do some naturalization in. We can have a bow. I think we only need like 0.2 preferably. I don't know if we need more than 0.2 in. Then out. That was 0.3. 0.3 out. The cubic units, thank you. I don't think it was a font. I think it was an actual style. So Drew sent me Drew sent me the actual like texts. I have to give him a message. I have no clue. He doesn't. There's not much coverage for when the there's not many animation for when it's really close. You know, like when we're right by the step. So a lot of them are just covered for when we're a bit of a distance away. So like if I do it when I'm like there, that's perfect because we're in the right range. Or if I'm super close. Or optimal apparently. Perfect because it was in the right range. Perfect because it was the right range. Yeah, so it's like if you're in the right range, it's really good. But if you're kind of out because of coverage, it's not amazing. But it's alright, I guess. It doesn't look terrible. Interesting. I need to change this code trace going off of the Oh, also. I did not do. Here it is. Yeah, when you get a good walk, it's actually right. So we need to really work on ways to minimize. And for animations when I do think we just need a bit of foot IK just to help bring the foot up and down onto the wall. You know, like I think just like a 2%, like and this should be for climbing, like a what 1-2% for IK that just takes it up, down, forward, or back, just as and how, just to give it a little bit of a new little nudge, you know. To this run up check. Might do a big old. Yeah, I thought so. Hopefully, so yeah, going off of the mesh rather than the capsule, because the capsule rotates and the mesh does it after. I'm hoping that the mesh, whichever way that's facing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that helps. But we shall see. We shall see. We will see. But yeah, if that mesh can be It's better. Hopefully that doesn't as much contribute to so much sliding left to right because of the trajectory. Might even just need to do the forward as the trajectory of the motion, which we're moving. Because if you're going dead straight, you notice it's actually really good. Any kind of angling starts to taper off in terms of the quality of the trace. Whoa. Massive. Okay. Shit's not the way. Stupid. Of course it's on a mesh, man. Because the mesh don't rotate. It don't rotate. The entire capsule rotates. So is the capsule. So the thing just follows. Très intéressant. Très intéressant. Very interesting. I mean, doing the angle of entry stuff might actually quite help. Should be able to just live code this to change though. Yep. That might help. So it shouldn't be so weird now. It should be. Ignore that animation. Okay, it's alright. They're all pretty similar to step ups. They don't. You need just more coverage, really. I'll be honest with you. Okay, and from ones that are closer as well, because I think they're all quite far away. These are all done. So anything that's far away, it just does that one. And more times than not, you're just holding the button, so it's going to take it from its furthest distance, which is always an issue. Woo! No wee. But okay. Okay. This just needs to be automated. If I can, once I automate these three, life will be a lot easier. But okay. Let me think. Couple step ups I did. You sound like this. Like that, I like that. And that could, he stays in locomotion for very long. So yeah, let's do this. Let's add this one, see how it looks. See, and this is again, it's because, so you see how he turns it, and this is the issue I was having with these animations, because we weren't capturing like do you see what I mean? So now the end is a bit funky of a frame, because we didn't go into this session knowing exactly this is what we wanted to capture. It wasn't like laid out and planned. So like, if I knew, okay, I want to capture a load of climbing up and down different things, I just got like a block, like walk up it, walk down it tons of times, different ways, with a bit of flair. Move the block height, do you mean? Just like change it with your approach so that you hop onto it from further, just stuff like that. But okay, anyway, let's quickly add it. It should take no more than 2-3 minutes. Again, it's the same height block, which doesn't help really as you're changing it. Because what the thing is that the only with these step ups now currently, because they're all on the same height, the only differentiator is speed and distance, which is like anything beyond a certain point, that's when you're gonna get big warps. But you need more variation in that element. You need variation for each one. But yeah. This is when we're gonna need some foot IK. I think that's the next thing I need to add, so foot IK. Because that it should really be at the ledge location. Yeah. You know what I mean? Step up to the street. One, two, two. Over 1.3. Wonder. 93.8. Not even as slow as this. I don't know about that. 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 Height. Same again, it's the same thing, isn't it? Got 50, 53 if you want to. Forward distance drive with 122. Anywho, let's see what happens. We need some food, okay? We also gotta disable some collision. Spend. Okay, the actual stepping up part. That's just a terrible animation too. Okay. Yeah, the actual stepping up part, no way, Jose. Yeah, we need for okay. Like frankly, it's just not even a joke. But I think I can get it through control rate. But let me add to the to-do list. We added some more. It's a never-ending thing. I swear to God. To automate the matching variables. Control rig, foot, IK. That's extra 5%. So we need some kind of foot IK while we're climbing to just basically give it that, get it to the point at which we need to get to basically. There's that low 5% all the time. That is what we need. Oh, I think plan of action. Oh, go in a minute. Let's think. Really, the automation of this is the most important thing. It's really affecting everything. Then Drew gave some feedback. Let me just read through that again. That's more locomotion. Ah, the pop reach. Have that. Let me look fine animation. Okay, let me add that to my to-do list. We'll do that first. Climb up, fail, reach. So basically, if you don't reach the wall, if you can't climb up, you should do like a triangle up the which is actually pretty simple to do. That's actually not really hard. you have. I'm pretty sure there's like a logical point at which in code to do that. Because I mean, there's a couple reasons why it might not be a valid climb, more than it just being too high. Because like it can be the normal of the thing is weird, it's slanted weirdly, which you should be able to climb it eventually. What else? Why might it not be a valid climb? Oh, it doesn't. It's like it's intersecting, so it's like there's no place to put your hand. I guess really, if it should just be like. But the problem is, I don't want it to be like you're reaching. Like if it's not a valid climb, you need to reach like. What if it's not a valid climb and it's like chest high, or it's really low? You know what I mean? I guess we can do like a reason why it's not a valid climb, and then sort of have a fair like reach date, like a data table that we match to like, oh, like if the climb is invalid because it's too high, we're like, how high was it? And it's like you're like 5% off that. Okay, let's do that. Let's do the matching. Yeah, we can do that. Because I guess we just take this index value. Because I guess then, if we don't ever hit a valid trace, I guess really it's just that it's too high. There's no other reason why it wouldn't be. Because otherwise we just climb onto it. Like if it's like it starts at the lowest point and it goes up, and then if there's none there, it's like it's too high. Otherwise everything else we should be able to climb. Like nothing. Like the only reason why you shouldn't be able to climb something is because it's too high. So I guess then it is just a case of like you can't reach it. So then I guess it's just all going to be above the same height. Then maybe we do just do a trace to find the height of it. I mean, let me just have one for now. Okay, yeah. If it's not a valid climb, as well as doing a drop down. You should have a different part of the climb. Got that through. I'm going to climb a reach fail. Oh, okay, we actually need some bit of robust code here. Because then I want to set the climbing state. Well, it's really gonna be better to know, but I want to do get the player wants to climb thing, reset that value like I do already before with the other ones. But like yeah, we'll reset the player wants to climb value. That's pretty easy. Let's do. I do think that should be part of locomotion and not climbing, because you're not actually climbing anything, so it shouldn't be a climbing montage. It should just be like a general locomotion montage that like cans out the whatever you do. Definitely this. Cool. And then we play a montage or whatever. And then yeah, so then we are gonna just do a montage. Yeah. I need to create a new delegate. Thanks, Benjamin. Welcome. Yeah. What we'll do is then we'll kill those things. Then if you fail the entry, then we'll do the montage. But it won't be a run up montage. It'll be a climb entry fail, and that's just gonna be a jump. Mess up. And then if you actually play the montage, use a function here. It's a way to blend it out to just once you've landed again, you're coming out to be like, okay, go back to walking, and yeah. Alright, we'll grab some food. I'm quite hungry right now. Might not be able to stream again today, to be honest, guys. You have to pop somewhere and bow. Might try to stream again tonight. If not, I'm just gonna crack on with this. Yeah, sorry, it's been a really short stream. Tomorrow will be a nice long day stream. And tomorrow I'll do a double stream, daytime and evening, just for you guys. You know, just because I love you guys that much. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna crack up some food and whatnot. I'll be back later.